project initially comes from the concept of what the geothermal or the power developers are doing, and this is out of where the community are saying that we want you to employ us, but the companies are saying that we don't have the skills from that particular community. So the geothermal or the power developers then say that, okay, let us target our affected communities. For example, Kengen affected community is totally different, or in a way is different from Akira and other geothermal companies.
And the Swedish government, we are very proud and we are very happy to support in this 4-year program. But we also hope that, after this 4-year program, there will still be, a good partnership on the ground, both in Narok and Nakuru County, for the public and private and community partners to continue.
Teaching learning materials for the adult education program, which was worth 1,592,100. And these are about 13 titles, which are for the beginners, which will be distributed to the 15 centers where the graduates are going to begin their new centers. In Kenya, we find that the levels of literacy are very high in the ASAL regions, Maasai being among them.